Okay, division. Division is fantastic because it's pretty much exactly the same as multiplication. All you need to remember is to find the reciprocal of the number that you're dividing by. So for question 5a, it says state the reciprocal of each of the following. So it is incredibly simple. Just having a look here at question B, 5b, 3/5. Find the reciprocal of 3/5. All you do is invert it. So you flip it upside down. So it becomes 5/3. Okay, and that's your answer. That's how you find the reciprocal of something. Okay, if we move into some of the division questions in question 6, once again, let's have a look at 6a. 3/4 divided by 2. Well, here we've got 3/4 divided by 2. All we need to do is we need to change this into a improper fraction. So 2/1, okay, like we're doing in multiplication. Then we copy it down, we turn our division symbol into a multiplication symbol, and we find the reciprocal of the second fraction. You don't find the reciprocal of the first, just the second fraction, okay? And then obviously it's a simple multiplication. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, that's simplified, that's correct, fantastic. All right, we'll move on. If we have a look at question 9, okay, question 9, let's have a look at A again. A says 3/8 divided by 5. This is very similar to the last one we did. So once again, copy it back out, 3/8. First thing we need to do is we need to turn 5 into an improper fraction, which we do by doing that. Then we need to find the reciprocal, okay, which is done by inverting it. 3/5 are 15. 8 times 1 is 8, okay? And then, obviously, the next step that we need to do is to actually simplify the fraction, okay? Except I've made a mistake because I didn't find the reciprocal of 5/1. Reciprocal of 5/1 is obviously 1/5, okay? So important that we're always checking our work. So 1/5, 3 times 1 is 3, okay? 8 times 5 is 40. All right, that's our answer. That cannot be simplified anymore. All right, very straightforward. In this question, however, you come to the situation where you're dividing with whole numbers. So 2 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 3/4, which is going to lead us into our problem solving question. Okay? In our problem solving question, it says if 2 and 1/4 leftover pizzas are to be shared between 3 friends, what fraction of pizza will each friend receive? Okay, so we've got a situation where we've got 2 and 1/4 pizzas, and we've got to divide it by 3 people. Okay? Now, in this situation, the first thing that we need to do, exactly like multiplication, is to turn this into an improper fraction. Okay? So we end up looking like this. 9/4 divide by 3/1. We still need to find the reciprocal of this one. Then we turn that into multiplication. Okay, once we get the reciprocal of it. Okay? Then from there, all we do is we obviously find the answer. Now, before we find the answer, I just want to point something out. Here we can actually do a little bit of cross-cancelling. Now, you should have covered some cross-cancelling in class, and it's where we can simplify a fraction at this stage so we don't have to simplify it at the end. 9 and 3 both have common factors. Okay, so we can actually simplify these two right here and now. I can divide 3 by 3 and I can divide 9 by 3. So 3 goes into 3 once and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Okay? Now I just do my normal multiplication. 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 times 1 is 4. And we're at our answer. Okay? That saves us from finding the answer. 9 times 1 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. And then having to simplify to get back to this answer. Okay, so by cross cancelling, we get to our simplified answer first. Okay, like I said, your teacher will explain cross cancelling to you more in class. All right, but that's a quick example of how we do it. You're allowed to cross cancel diagonally and up and down, but you are not allowed to cross cancel horizontally. Okay, really important that you never cross cancel horizontally.